Hey guys, Mr. Wahid Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm with the lovely Haque. We're going to be installing sweeping indicator lights, or whatever turn signals, whatever you want to call them, on the outside.
Yeah.
So these are the new indicator lights. This is for the Astra, by the way.
Astra H Mark 5. There you go. Blacked out as well, as you can see, smoke.
They're nice, yeah. Goes with the theme of the car.
So obviously because it's all blacked out, it's swiping, so it goes from that end to that end. Before we do get started, one thing, the link for this will be in the description. But one thing to watch out is obviously you got two, so you don't know which one's which. If you are struggling, there's R on this one. So in the UK, R is for driver side, and this one should say L. Let me just bring it out. L is obviously passenger side. So yeah, there you go. As you can see, it says L. That's passenger side. So yeah, just gonna go outside, fit them in. It's literally as easy as plug and play. So yeah, take it outside, mess about and fit them in.
Oh, we're going to go outside now. Yeah, yeah, 1 second. Alright guys, this is the headlight, whatever you want to call it.
Mind the blue.
Yeah, don't.
I forgot to mention,
to
you do need a flathead screwdriver as well. So obviously it needs to be flathead.
Yes.
So the reason for that is obviously because you just want to pre it in and you just want to grab it out. So you just want to go around the edges a little.
Careful of the paint.
It's a bit of a difficult one, just so you do know.
If you have the plastic tools, it'd be easier. It'd be better, won't it?
Yeah, it'd be a lot better.
So you don't scratch the paint. Oh, got the case off.
It's really relevant.
Yeah, I'll hold the corners. Yeah, pull it out like that. Go on.
Catch it.
You push in my corner. There. Go on. Ah.
Yes.
That cuts your nails.
Have you got the
I finally got it out using two tools.
flathead, is it?
And you have to put a lot of force into it, and WD-40 as well, because it was rusted. So finally it's out. So all you have to do now is take that off, put the new one on.
So
Okay, we just clean the area up a bit. There's the rubbish. Okay.
So with the way you want to do this, you just turn it,
Pull it off.
pull it out.
There's the bulb.
There you go. So the bulb as well, that's coming out like that. You can see it's like a, was it T20?
Normal
T10?
H, I think, I don't know. Or W2. W, I don't know. That's what Volkswagen use.
But obviously people will change their bulbs and everything. This is where,
So you need the left one, don't you?
yeah, so this is where this comes in hand. Yeah, so left one first time, yeah.
So that will plug into there.
Yeah, so that plugs in substitute for a bulb.
That's pretty cool.
LTO. So as you can see, plug in.
Whichever we go fits in.
It needs to be this way, anyways.
Does it?
Yeah, because obviously
Yeah, go on.
that's where the shape.
Just fit in.
That was just a bit of a play about. Oh, let me
Yeah, just try the other way.
This is just me being a bit retarded. There you go.
It's in. There you go. A bit.
There
Oh,
you
that's
go.
snug.
So
That looks
before you actually do like proper place it in,
He's going to test it out for you.
yeah, you'd rather test it out first.
Yep, they're working nice. Oh, look at that. Nice, that, nice.
Yeah.
So they're sweeping, as you can see.
Before you actually,
And take the screw nut
yeah,
off.
you need to take this off.
Oh, look how nice that black is. Oof.
Yeah.
And it's the same as the other one. You just clip it in, push it in.
Yeah, not just. I'd say if
That side in first, yeah.
Go that side first, and obviously because that one just goes in
There you go.
like that.
Good fit.
And that's all.
Now we do the other side, and then we test it all out and show you again.
Alright, so try leverage this. So, oh.
So that came out a lot easier.
Yeah, it came out a lot easier, didn't it? Jeez, what's this? Don't know what that is.
Yeah, you don't want to touch
It's a bit irrelevant to me anyways. So obviously same as the other side. Take it out
just
like that.
twist it off.
That comes off.
Take the bulb off. Oh my
Bulb
god, that's
comes
well. Look how dirty. Oh, there's got water inside it.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it does. Bloody hell.
So that's got a crack somewhere, and there's loads of water in that.
Yeah. Just gonna give it a wipe down around the area, and then plug in the next one as well. I'll grab the next bad thing out, you know. Link for these will be in the description as well. So
I say you take the screen protector off.
I'll show.
Oh,
No, I'd rather put it on first.
put it on first.
So also one thing to mention, like you don't want to put it this way. It's going this way because obviously the longer side.
The top.
Yep. So with this.
Literally plug and play.
Yep. Put other player on. There you go.
This one's a lot easier. Push in more.
No.
The fully.
I need to check if it's the right way.
What do you?
Let's see if it's that way. Yeah. No. No. No, right?
It doesn't look like it's fully in though. The other one went more in. No?
No.
No, switch around. It's just LED, so it'll work. Okay, so it switched it around. Let's have a try now.
No way.
No. Oh guys, it's working now. So this guy, when I told him to turn it around, he turned the whole thing around. So it's basically doing the same thing again. So then we finally fixed it, which is just turning it around properly, and now it's working. So if it doesn't work, try it the other way with LED. That's how LED works.
There you go. Thank you to the best mechanic, Mr. Haque, on the scene. And then that just
push in more. There you go.
Oh, that one clicked.
That looks nice. Let's have a look at the other side. Oh, check if they're working at the same time.
Yeah, they're both there.
What was that? Not at the same time.
What do you mean?
Like together. So when mine's on, is yours on at the same time? The timing.
Right.
Now. Yeah, that's fine.
No. Oh, it's off.
Yeah, okay. That is fine. And that looks much better. It goes with the blackness that we're trying to create. And yeah, still waiting on this keys. Got red things on there now.
I've tinted that out now. So the way I did that, just masking taped around.
Yeah.
It was actually a Lidl newsletter that I just stuck around and then just sprayed it like mad.
Was it easy?
Yeah, it's very easy actually.
I told you to do that.
Yeah,
have to take the whole thing off.
Yeah, but I feel like it was more fun taking it out than putting it back in.
Anyways, we showed you both ways of how to do everything. So anyways guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out Labib's channel. He's not uploaded since 3 years. And goodbye.